Alright, we're in Madrid. I've seen some tiny elevators here so far, but I think this one takes the cake. This might just be the smallest so far. There's a dog down there. I literally have to... Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, I literally have to turn around. I have a backpack on. I literally have to turn around and back in here. I cannot, there's not even room to turn around. Oh, there is, but it's like tiny. Look at this. Look at how smushed I am. Oh, we're going somewhere. Or not, the door just closed. Turn around. Oh my gosh. Jesus, this thing's tiny. God damn. Yeah, this definitely beats the one in Evanston, I think. Look at how small. Look at it literally, like my wrist it's barely wider than my wrist. That's crazy. Oh my god. All right, and then from back to front, we got a little more room that in that direction, but still this thing is teeny tiny. It's an elevator for ants. We're gonna watch it go up. Good Lord. I'm starting to get claustrophobic in that thing. You can see it's a roped hydro too. And there it goes.